Unboxing Air Jordan for Retro Midnight Navy. The Air Jordan for Retro White Midnight Navy dresses in white, midnight navy, and light smoke gray colorway. The upper of this retro Air Jordan for sneaker is constructed from white leather with black support wings, a matching black heel tab with embossed Jumpman branding, and navy molded eyelets. A second Jumpman icon adorns the woven tongue tag in crimson. The shoe rides on a two-tone polyurethane midsole, featuring encapsulated air technology in the forefoot and a visible unit in the heel. Midnight Navy revisits the classic color blocking of fire red with speckled support wings inspired by white cement. White leather uppers dominate the style while hits of navy blue land on the cages and midsole. White netting adorns the throat and quarter panels. Solid gray components and an exposed air unit round out the heel. A blue Jumpman motif is stamped on the heel tag, and embroidered Air Jordan and flight tags accent the top and back of the tongue. Subscribe for more.